had a great half term, be enjoying the sunshine. And you might remember right at the beginning I did a little video about column addition, so I thought I'd do column subtraction today as a little reminder. So just a few top tips. Number one, remember to line up the digits when you set out your numbers. Number two, remember to label the columns with hundreds, tens and ones along the top. Remember to start with the ones, that's really important when you start subtracting. And then cross out when you exchange, and we'll talk a little bit more about what that means as we go along. So, a couple to have a go at. The first thing, I want you to look at these, don't have a go at these yet, and I want you to think, what's the same about these two and what's different? So pause the video for a moment, have a think. Okay, so hopefully you noticed the number at the top is the same in both ones, 365. However, the number at the bottom, what you're subtracting, is different, and this affects how we work out these two. So I'm going to start with this one at the top. So I've lined up my digits, I've labelled my numbers at the top, and I'm going to start with my ones. So I'm going to start with 5 ones, take away 2 ones, that's 3. 6 tens, take away 4 tens, is 2 or 20. And 3 tens, take away 1 10 is, sorry, hundreds. 3 hundreds, take away 100 is 200. So 223. Remember, if you want to check your answer, you can do the inverse, you can add those two together, and you should always get that answer. Okay, so hopefully you spotted this was a bit different here. Hopefully you spotted the ones are different, and this does affect this calculation. So we've got 5 take away 6. Can you remember? 5, can we take away 6? No, we can't. So we're going to exchange from the tens column. So we're going to exchange 1 10 from here and pop it there. And that means we've got 5 tens left. It's really important you cross that out so you remember what you've done. So 15 now, take away 6 is 9. 5 tens, take away 4 tens is 1 10. And 3 hundreds, take away 100 is 200. So then you see you've got a different answer as well. And again, add those two together, you'll get that top answer. Okay, so these are a couple more. And I'm just going to show you how to do these. If you want to have a go before me though, you could pause, have a go, and then you could check your answer with me. So if you're going to do that, pause now. Okay, and this is how you work these out. Remember at home, if you've got square paper or even lined paper, that will help you line up the different digits. So 5 ones take away 6 ones. Again, we can't do that. So we're going to exchange from the tens column. And we've got 15 ones, take away 6 ones, which is 9. 5 tens take away 5 tens is 0. And then 300s take away 100 is 200. 209. Okay, so this one here, it's when the 0 comes a bit tricky, doesn't it? So first part we can do, 5 take away 2 is 3. 0 take away 5, you can't do that. We're going into negative numbers, we don't want that. So we're going to go to our hundreds column. We're going to exchange from the hundreds, so there's 2 hundreds there. And we're going to pop a 1 there, but that actually makes the number 100, because it's like 105. So you've got 100, take away 50, or 10 take away 5, is 5, and then 200 take away 1 is 1. Okay, so you've got 153. How did you get on with those? Did you get them right? If you didn't, can you see where you've made your mistake? These are some to try at home. So you need to pause the screen now and copy these out carefully. Okay. Remember, you can get those checked. You can check your parents. You could use a calculator to check your answers. And again, if you've made a mistake, try and work out where you've gone wrong. Now, as a challenge, I quite like these ones. I'm stuck in some missing number ones. So the missing numbers are represented by the box. So these are some extra challenges, and these are ones you could challenge your parents with as well. And sometimes I struggle with these, and I have to just try out some different numbers first to see which ones work. So there's an extra challenge for you to go at home. I'm setting you a challenge now. If you would like to make me a missing number subtraction calculation, take a photo of it and email it in to me. I don't mind how challenging it is, and I'll have a really good go, and I'll try and email back my solution to you. So 3SC or 3DH, both classes, little challenge. Challenge me to some missing number ones. Okay, I hope to see you soon, and look after yourselves. Bye.